Now, to alleviate concerns some of you have about the potential length of this page, I understand those concerns. What's going to happen when we get to week 12, from this point forward, you're covering week 1 through 7, you're getting the foundation of your blog established, and then weeks 8 through 12 will each have their own entry. And there are going to be specific things I'm going to ask for in future entries. So just understand that and roll with it. It's not going to be a problem. But when we get to week 12, which is coincidentally the next 1/6, we will be 1/3 of the way through the year. We're going to archive this page. We're going to make a new page. This is going to be archived, and your new home page will chronicle weeks 13 through 18. Do you get it? That'll take us to the midpoint in the year. Semester grades happen, that gets archived, and then we move on with weeks 19 through 24. Get how it works? Easy. So you will always be responsible for a 6-week section of your blog. You're responsible for this first 7 weeks as well. This is counting the first 6th and the first week of the second 6th. I hope that makes sense. Now, for the logo. Look, this is how easy it is. Whoops, didn't want that. Wanted the MacLab. Sometimes you have to think, how can you solve a problem? Well, how big is this? How do you measure it? Psst, use Photoshop. Watch. I'm going to click and drag. Drop it on Photoshop. And then Option Command I. Image, image size. Option Command I. Where is it? I never go here. Image, image size. And this tells us exactly how big it is. And it says it right here. It says it right here. 437 by 90. Well, that's tiny. Yes, that's tiny. And you might also notice the transparent background. This is a transparent ping. For right now, don't worry about that. I'll teach you how to make these. It's so simple. Some of you will say, oh, look, here's how you do it. You just hide the background layer. And I give you a clue. The length here, you can go longer than this. But as far as the height goes, the 93 pixels, let's look back here. Should it get any bigger than this? You don't need a logo the size of Jupiter. This works. You don't need make my logo bigger cream. So, yes, some of you that have a tall logo, you may have to rework it. Typically, logos work in different configurations. I told you it has to work on a business card and a billboard. That's why the smaller logos work. Those of you with your gradients in the background, it's not going to look very good. That's why I told you, simple. Stay simple. All right, you get that? And how do you put it in? Well, it couldn't be any easier. Once you make that, whoops, not there, alive, there we go. You go down to Divi, click on it, and it's right here. You upload that small image right here, and that's it, and it works. Get it? So simple. So today, I expect to see lots of sites with your own custom logos on it. I expect to see lots of people with their navigation fixed. And, oh yeah, see, I'm logged into the MacLab here. I expect to see you guys have your Gravatars, not having the Mystery Man anymore. And above all, I absolutely, positively expect this link to lead to your blog. That's your mission today. Do you get it? Thank you so much.